For drink selections, we got the Pure Leaf green tea, 2 for $3, and the Polar Seltzer, 2 for $3. We're not Perrier people, but we are on the Perrier side of town. We're up in Carmel, and we have got this load of brush that needs hauled away. So I'm going to back up next to it, side load, just like everything else. Eat an elephant one bite at a time. Side loading, pulling out some fence, backing up trailer, one bite. So we're about an hour in, and I'm filling up, stomping down, also pulling out the fence when I can, because that kind of loosens everything in the bunch up. But pick from the top and the middle, loosen it up, it's easier to load. Got all the fence out. 2.5 hours, and that is all that's left. So I gotta take this, dump it, come back, clean up that fence line, get all this brush, and we'll be done. Say the wood pile for the mulch coming along nicely. Halfway done. Unloading this by hand is about as fun as it looks. Maybe more. These fencing pliers right here made it all the way from Carmel to Whitestown. 25-minute drive, sitting on the tongue of the trailer. I had my first real job about 5 miles up the road from the mulch place. And anyway, summer of lessons, also summer of destruction. But as it relates to leaving anything on the tongue, I don't remember if I was delivering a Kawasaki Mule or a Kubota Zero Turn, but I was delivering something pretty high end, and I took it to about the same about general area where we're working today. Anyway, I dropped it off and left, and it was the middle of July, and it was hotter than hell. And I look in the rear view mirror, and there are sparks. All I see are sparks everywhere. And I stopped, and I'd forgotten to put the pin back in place on the tongue. It was a tilt trailer, so the deck was up, and the bottom was the back of the trailer was dragging on the ground, which is why we had sparks. But anyway, I couldn't find the pin anywhere, and I probably walked for a mile or 3/4 of a mile, eyes on the road, just trying to find the pin. But after about 3 hours, the big pile's almost done. We got these little piles, and this will be complete. Cleaned up tree line. Cleaned up brush pile. Second load in the trailer. All done. Cleaned up fence row. No more brush piles. No more leaf piles. A little bit of carbon in the ground.